Are you tired of trading divergence and ending up with failed setups? In this video, I'm sharing my simple yet powerful tweak to RSI divergence trading that can turn those losses into profits. Let's make divergence work for you. Welcome back to Forex Mindsub, the ultimate destination for traders looking to refine their strategies, master the markets, and develop an unstoppable trading mindset. Let's dive into today's powerful lesson on how to turn RSI divergence into profits with my proven tweak. So let's go with the basics. So we are talking about bullish divergence and bearish divergence. In this video, we're not talking about any hidden divergence concepts. So bullish divergence is when price is making lower lows and RSI is going in the opposite direction, is making higher highs. So that's bullish divergence. And after that, like price is going up, up, up. And on the other side is bearish divergence. So what's happening at bearish divergence? Price is making higher highs, like here, but RSI is making lower lows. And after that, you do see a big drop. So why should we use RSI divergence? What is the advantage? So let's look at it. The advantage of using RSI divergence is like it can give us early signal for a potential trend reversal. So in this way, we can enter into a trade way earlier than before seeing a significant price drop. The second point is again like better trade entries, as I mentioned earlier. So if we can identify a signal like a trend is going to change, then we can get better entry. Better entry means lower risk and bigger profits. So if we use divergence properly by using the tweak that I have plus price action plus support resistance, then we can reduce false signals. We should not rely only on one indicator. Always try to combine with some other indicators. We can combine RSI divergence with moving averages, support resistance for additional confirmation. So in my strategy, I use RSI 7 period to identify divergence. Plus, my tweak includes two EMAs, EMA 3 and EMA 8, to identify the trend reversal. Like in this case, we do see sign of divergence over here on RSI. We do see price is making lower low, but RSI is making higher highs, going high. And we do see moving average crossover, and after that is a confirmed divergence, and price was going up, so meaning like a bigger profit once you enter over here at this level. Just like with any other strategy, there are rules that we must follow. So in this case, we're gonna go over the buy setup first. So what are the rules? So first thing is identify bullish divergence. So how do we identify bullish divergence? We're going to see, normally we'll see like if it's an end of trend, if price has significantly either moved up or moved down, then start looking when price is making lower low in case of like a buy setup. And you do see RSI instead of going low, like over here, price was going down, RSI was also going down. But now we do see price is coming down, but RSI is going up. So we do see we have identified divergence opportunity over here. Next, moving on, wait for the 3 EMA to cross above the 8 EMA. So over here, we do see 3 EMA is crossing EMA 8. So that can confirm that it's a strong signal, because the issue is like most of the time when we enter prematurely, when we see divergences here and we just enter at this candle right over here, and what happens after that? Price came down and it hit our stop loss. We want to confirm a valid signal. So this is where my tweak comes in, that I'm using these through two EMAs to confirm the signal. Next one, confirm RSI is turning bullish. So how do we do that? We look at RSI for buy signal. It should be moving upward, and I'll prefer it should be going above level 50 level over here. So when it's going up, it's confirming buy momentum. So when this candle was established, RSI also crossed above the 50 level, confirmed the buy signal. And the last thing, what we're going to do, how to enter, we're going to be enter on the next bullish candle. So what normally I will do after divergence is confirmed, 3 EMA cross EMA 8, we waited for RSI cross, then we waited for the bullish candle right here. And normally I do set up a pending buy order a few pips above the candle close, and then it triggers, and then I enjoy the profits. So now we'll talk about the sell setup. What are the rules? First, we are going to identify bearish divergence. So spot a higher high in price, like this over here, and RSI forms a lower high, indicating bearish divergence. Next step will be wait for 3 EMA to cross below the 8 EMA. So we do see 3 EMA is crossing 8 EMA over here after this candle. So that confirms a shift in momentum to the downside. Next, confirm RSI is turning bearish. So I always take the signal when RSI is crossing below 50, which it did, like when this candle was formed. Next step was enter on the next bearish candle. So in this case, that candle, I have it in a circle. So that candle, when this candle was formed, EMAs were crossed, and RSI was crossing below EMA 50. Then I was going to set up a pending sell order over here, a few pips below, and then just target this area for take profit. And then my stop loss will be somewhere over here above this candle. So just like entry rules, we have to go over the exit rules. So first one is set up your stop loss few pips below the setup candle for buy trades or below swing low. So like in this case, if I was going to enter after this bullish candle, my stop loss will be few pips below this setup candle or below swing low. Set up your stop loss few pips above the setup candle for sell trades or above swing high. So just like we did for buy setup, if we were selling over here, so we were going to set it up over here, like if that was target setup candle, so SL would be few pips above over here in this area. Take profit. Take profit is always, it has to be like above 1 to 1. It's better to be at least like 1.5x to 2 risk to reward ratio, or at a key support and resistance level. So in this case, if I entered over here, my target was, one target could be at this level over here, and next target would be at this level as a final take profit. So if the moving averages cross in the opposite direction at any point, you should immediately close your trade. So for example, if moving average cross like this, you were entered over here, then you are going to close this trade immediately. Let's say if your target was at this level, it hasn't hit your target, but if it crossed in the opposite direction, you immediately close that trade. Next one, there are a few tips I would like to go over to improve the efficiency of this strategy. So first one is I suggest using like 15 minutes or higher time frame, because RSI divergence on higher time frame normally provides better results. Next one is avoid trading during news because of high volatility. It's better not to trade during the news event. Next one is it works better during the trending market. If you do see like a range bound market, choppy market, do not use this strategy, because again, normally it works at the extreme trend where the market has like significantly either moved up or moved down, and from there we do see a reversal. So it's better to take trades during trending market. And the last one, last tip is combine RSI divergence with the moving average crossover. In addition to moving average, try to take positions where you do see strong support resistance level or pivot points or round level, those psychological levels for like extra confirmation. So now, as always, we look at the strategy in action. So in this case, we are looking at the US30 15 minutes chart. Price was making higher highs over here, but RSI is moving in the opposite direction. So we do see we have identified there is divergence. Next one was EMA 3 crossed below EMA 8. So we do see EMA crossed EMA 3 crossed EMA 8. Next step, RSI below 50. Next one was bearish candle form. So it's not a doji candle or anything like that. So it's a bearish candle. Now I will enter this trade. So either I will enter right after close of this candle, or I may set up a pending sell order a few pips below this candle, and it will trigger over here. I'll set up my stop loss above swing high over here in this area. I will set up my stop loss, and my take profit would be 1.5x to 2 times of my stop loss. So in this case, I will be targeting this area. So I did hit my take profit. So that's it. So try to use this, test it in your demo environment, and share your results. And subscribe for more trading strategy to Forex Mindset. Thanks for watching.